Alright, everybody, welcome back to part 4 of our Combaticons review. And next up we have Blastoff. Now, this Blastoff is technically part of the special edition of the Prime Wars releases that they had at the end of the Prime Wars, which featured Combiner Wars, Titan Returns, and Power of the Primes. And this one was meant to be the special edition for Combiner Wars. And it's based off the Blastoff that was released. It's like with the United Warriors line. As I mentioned in the intro, the original version had was based on the Firefly mold. And as I said, it makes more sense thematically, as that's more of a combat vehicle as opposed to quote-unquote a space shuttle. But also, it was also more in line, it's like in scale-wise with the other Combaticons as well. I mean, space shuttles are huge. I mean, I went to the place, I forget what the name is called, it's like Rushavi Museum, where they have the SR-71 that they used, it's like in Revenge of the Fallen. So quite a cool display, but they had a space shuttle there. I think it was the Endeavor, I'm not sure, but they had a space shuttle there, and that thing was huge, like bigger than an SR-71, and yeah, you weren't going to really fit that on the road. I mean, they even have like jokes of how the Combaticons would look properly scaled, and they showed up Bruticus with a gigantic arm. But, people want what they want their nostalgia, so they gave them a space shuttle mold down the road anyway. So, here it is. It's colored differently from the Takara version, and slightly retooled as well. That one sort of had more of a beer gut going on. Yeah, so as you can see, purple, brown, comes with his very own unique hand-foot gun, and you can like plug that on the top here, and let's throw him in like this extra gun from the one set, from the M33. You can just put that there on the gun itself, or these nice ports, it's like on the arms. Yeah, that's options there for you. Interesting transformation, to say the least. So first things first, let's get these hands out of the way. Bear with me, I've only transformed this one a few times. Basically dug it out just for this review. Alright. And these parts here rotate too if you want. Alright. Yeah. It has like extra gun here in the canopy parts. And there's his head listed there. Yeah. This one piece likes to pop out very easily. Yeah. Probably supposed to be more flush, but whatever. There we go. So, okay, there he is with his gun and his extra gun. Just gonna put this one there. He has holes on the ports on the side of his feet, and you can give him his other gun as well from the workshop. Yeah, so very cool figure, very purple. Like he has like the thruster feet. And there's the other gun. I'm sure the back end is supposed to go a bit more flush, but yeah, I said I haven't transformed them in a while. Now, overall, this was a very cool figure. It also came with like a little Megatronus Prime Master, which was a translucent red. So that's something else that made it somewhat of a special edition. And yeah, overall, It's a very cool mold, and it was also reused. It's like for the what's it called? The Commando set, where it became Shuttler, and it was like white. And they also used it for the Unite Warriors version of Strafe. So, very cool mold overall. And like I said, this version here doesn't have the beer gut. Apparently the other one was like turned around on the side. And yeah, it's definitely like a cool addition to the Combaticons. Even though the scale be damned. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. And next up is Shockwave and Onslaught. Alright, later.